I've been feeling a little under the weather, so I decided to make a nice bowl of halal chicken ramen to get me feeling better. We're going to start by prepping one halal chicken breast from MidamarHalal.com. We're going to start by slicing off some of the fat, then we'll cut the chicken in half. We'll pull out some parchment paper, cover the chicken, then we'll pound it until it's thin and mostly the same thickness across the whole of the breast. Get both halves to about the same thickness, then we'll set those aside for now. In a frying pan, we'll put about a tablespoon of neutral flavored oil like canola or peanut oil in a pan over low heat. Now we'll add in a cup and a half of panko breadcrumbs and we'll stir that around so the panko gets some oil in it. Now we'll stir this constantly until most of the panko is toasted and is a light golden brown color. Once that's good and golden, we'll pour that into a mixing bowl. While the panko is still hot, we'll hit it with 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and about a half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Toss that so the seasonings coat all of the panko, give it a taste for seasoning, and add more garlic or onion powder to your tastes. Bring in a pan lined with aluminum foil and spray that with some nonstick spray. Bring in 1 egg that's been whisked along with our panko. First, we'll dredge the chicken in the egg mixture. Then we'll place it in our panko. Give it a good press, flip it, press it again, and move it around until it's totally covered in the panko. Then set that on the sheet pan. Repeat that with the other chicken breast, then it's off to the oven at 425 degrees for 10 minutes or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. In the meantime, we'll prep our sauce for our chicken katsu. I like to make a simple concoction of about 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce and a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce. Then we'll mix it up until it's thickened a little bit. Set that aside until the chicken is finished. Now we'll start prepping the ramen. Chop the root end off of 2 green onions and then start slicing those into inch or 2-inch size pieces. Next we'll bring some water to a boil. I used enough water for 2 packets of ramen. Toss in our noodles and get those cooked up until they're tender. Now we'll add in the seasoning packets and mix it all up. Toss in the green onions and cook until fragrant. Now we'll serve up the ramen in a bowl with our green onions, some Sno Pac corn from our website, and a hard-boiled egg. Top it with our sliced katsu coated in some of the sauce, and that's it. Our ramen is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, why not give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week with another tasty halal recipe.